on page 24. So page 24, it's lesson 1, module 4, and it is something that you guys did with Miss Kiara. It is right here.
You started already?
Yeah. So I know it's flipped for you guys, but it should look like this, where it asks you to draw 2 points, W and X, and use a straight edge to draw the ray WX, and then draw a new point that is not on the ray WX, and label it Y, draw the line segment WY, and then draw a point not on the ray WX or WY and call it Z. And then you got to do that all in this box and then follow the directions over here. So I want to give you guys a reminder that when I am doing line segments and points, first I'm going to put 2 points on the board, and it's going to be point A and point B. So let's draw 2 points. Now, if I'm going to do a ray for A, actually, you know what? I'm going to do ray AB. From point A, I'm going to go to B and through B. And what I would label that as is AB, and then I do a ray with the 1 arrow, which matches. Now, if I was going to say the line segment AB, that would be AB line segment. I could also do BA, line segment BA. Now that's just a straight line. Now, if I was going to do the full line, not a line segment, but an actual line for AB, I'd have to extend it and have an arrow. So now I could do line AB, and I make sure that there's an arrow on both sides. Or I could do line BA. Now, those are the different ones that you guys will go over. The other thing, though, that's really important, and this is where we are at for the protractors, is right now we've got a straight angle line, right? So from here to here, that'd be 180 degrees. We need something to intersect this line. I'm going to erase the 180 degrees, and we will do our intersected line. I'm going to give this point right here on the line C, where it's going to be intersected, and then I am going to go ahead and I'm going to draw another point D. Now I've got a line segment CD, so now I can say line CD, and then I can make it all the way into a line. And I can also do DC, line segment DC, and then I can do CD, line CD, and line DC. So now I'm just labeling on the side all the things that I'm doing. And then from here, I've got 2 angles actually. I don't know for you guys that can see it, but I've got an angle here. Actually, I've got 4. Oh my gosh. I've got an angle here, I've got an angle here, and I've got an angle here. So many different angles. So I've got, this would be, if I was to write this correctly, that'd be D, C, B, because we've got the point C right here, we've got B, we've got D, so D, C, B. So that would be angle D, C, B. Or I could do angle B, C, D. There would be no reason, and it's not possible, to have the C on the front, because the C is the middle point. Another angle in this is C. Ooh, we don't have a point for this guy. Let's extend our line and give him an extra point. Give a point right there. I'm going to give it an E. So now we've got angle, E, C, A. Angle, E, C, A. Or angle A, C, E. Now that actually spells something. Ace. Okay, now I've got another angle over here. I've got A, C, D. A, C, D. Or D, A, C. And like all the way down here because there's so many different angles of this. And then we've also got B, C, E. Angle B, C, E. B, C, E. And angle, another way to say that is ECB. I don't know why my E's are looking like C's with a line in the middle. These, I'm just going over this so it's review, and I want you guys to be able to answer the questions on lesson 1 homework, page 24. So that's what I'd like you guys to do right now. The next part, and you guys can pause this and then go ahead and do that work. Once you're done, I'd like you to come back to the video, and you now are going to work on page 38. Now we did this almost exact thing together as a class on the smartboard. So it should look like this. What you guys are going to do is you're going to classify the angles as an angle that is less than 90 degrees, an angle that is equal to 90 degrees, and an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. And then from there, you're going to match it to, say, acute, right, or obtuse. So let's give an example. Is this one less than 90 degrees, equal to 90 degrees, or greater than 90 degrees? Now we know acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Acute, right, obtuse. Okay. This one would be acute. So if it's a acute angle, it's going to be less than 90 degrees. And then we'd match it to an acute, because this is an acute angle. What if I did this one? No. I don't have a ruler with me right now, but what is this? Less than 90, equal to 90, or greater than 90. So we've got acute, 90 for a right angle, and obtuse. What does this one look like? Does this one look like it could belong inside a square, and there's like 4 of them, or like inside a rectangle? To me, it looks like it belongs inside a rectangle, meaning it is equal to 90 degrees. And it is a right angle. Okay, last one. What if I did? I'm sure those that are realizing process of elimination, there's only one other kind of angle. Actually, there's 2. Other kinds of angles. Hey, sorry. 2 other kind of angles that we could do. This one's of the 3 we normally practice. Is it less than, equal to, or greater than 90 degrees? You got it. Greater than 90 degrees. So I'm going to say greater than 90 degrees. And that would be an acute, or a right, or an obtuse angle. We can literally look at it. Does it match my obtuse angle? Yes, it does. It's an obtuse angle. The only other angle I was talking about is this one, where it's a straight angle and is 180 degrees. you guys won't be doing this one. You guys won't be doing the straight angle on your work, but you guys should now take the time to pause the video and work on page 38. You should probably finish it pretty fast. You can go through it really, really fast, just like we did on the smartboard.